Welcome to my channel. In this video, you can learn JavaScript with me. Today, we're going to learn about data and variables. What is data? Data is information that we store to reuse in our program. Programming is all about controlling the data. For example, my name is Sidiksha. Here, my name is data. Same way, my age, height, color, date of birth are all data about me. In JavaScript, there are several data types. Let's learn the basics first. Later, we shall learn about more. The three basic data types are numbers, string, and booleans. Numbers represent age, year, and more. Strings represent name, weekdays, and then booleans represent true or false values. What is variable? A variable is the name of your data and reused in different places to retrieve the data in the program. Example, if I want to display my name Sidiksha, we can create a variable as child name, and then we can assign my name to the variable like var child name equals Sidiksha. Hereafter, I can use child name to represent Sidiksha. Learn how to create variable in JavaScript. In JavaScript, variables are declared with keyword var followed by variable name and value. Value is optional. In this example, variable message created with value hello. If we want reuse message variable with different value, we achieve by message equals world. How to name variables. Names must begin with the letter. Example, my name or age. Names can also begin with $signs and underscores. Example, $temp or underscore name. Names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and $signs. Example, address 1, address 2, street name underscore 1. Names are case sensitive. So best practice to get around this issue, always use camel case for variable names. What is camel case? Camel case has the first letter always lowercase, followed by each word starting with an uppercase. Example, my name and my name are not the same because the name has the N, the first one has the N uppercase and the second one has the N lowercase. That is why it is not the same. Reserved words cannot be used as names. Example, break, var, let, and more. Let's learn constants. Constants can be assigned only once. It can't be reassigned with another value. However, variables can be reassigned multiple times. Let's learn variable and constants using a simple program. Today, we are going to find the total price of apples. Imagine we are going to buy some apples from a store. The three things which we have to remember is how many apples we are going to buy. That is the first variable. Number 2, what is the price of each apple? That is the second variable. Number 3, what is the total price? That could be a variable or a constant. The first variable which we are declaring is apple price equals 12. Then we are declaring the second variable, number of apples bought equals 5. Now we have two variables to calculate the total price. Let's reuse both variables as total price equals apple price times. We use both variables as total price equals apple price times number of apples bought. Now we have two variables and one constant to reuse in the program. Let's run the program. Click on any empty space. Click on Inspect at the bottom. Go to Console and then type your code. Var apple price equals 12. Var number of apples bought equals 5. Constant total price equals apple price times number of apples bought. Alert total apples bought plus number of apples bought. Alert total price is plus total price. Now press enter to execute the program. The first displayed message is number of apples we bought, which is 5. Press enter again. The second message will display the total price as 60, which means 12 times 5. In this video, we learned about variables and constants and how to reuse them in programs. Okay, let's learn more about JavaScript in our future videos. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Push the red button to be our friends. Enjoy our fun world!